In this video, we're going to go over problem 2 in your review for the final exam. Problem 2 is also on earnings per share, but only basic earnings per share. So we had the Alford Group had 202,000 shares of common stock outstanding at January 1st, 2021. The following activities affected common shares during the year. There are no potential common shares outstanding, so there's only basic. So we have all year, 202,000. Then on February 28th, they're going to purchase 6,000 shares of treasury stock, so 6,000 shares go away. Then on October 31st, we're going to sell the 6,000 shares that were sold. That's a positive. And November 30th, we're going to issue another 24,000 new shares. So the ones that are outstanding all year get a fraction of 12 over 12. From February 28th, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, those get a fraction of 10 over 12. Or you could say that January and February, they were not outstanding. From October 31st, we only have November and December, so those shares are going to get a fraction of 2/12. And then finally, the shares that are issued on November 30th are only outstanding 1 month, so they're going to get a fraction of 1/12. So all I have to do is do the multiplications. So 202,000 multiplied by 12 over 12, negative 6 multiplied by 10 over 12, 6 multiplied by 2/12, and 24 multiplied by 1/12. Add all of them together. And we're going to have our denominator of 200,000. Since they don't mention that there's any preferred stock, we can't assume that there's any preferred stock. So our numerator is going to be the net income for the year, 400,000. So our earnings per share for the first year are going to be $2. Now, in 2022, on January 15th, they declared and issued a 2-for-1 stock split. So how many shares did they have outstanding at the end of December? We started off with 200,000, purchased 6,000 treasury stock, released 6,000 in treasury stock, and then 24,000 more. So there should be 226,000 shares of of shares outstanding at the beginning of the year. But there was a 2-for-1 stock split, so we're going to have to multiply those shares by 2. So 226,000 multiplied by 2 is going to give us a denominator for the second year of 452,000. Again, twice the number of shares that were outstanding as of 12/31. Now, our net income for the second year is also 400,000. So 400,000 divided by 452,000 gives us 88 cents a share. Now in number 3, for comparative purposes, we're going to still have 400,000 of net income, but the 2021 shares have to be multiplied by 2 because we can't compare par $2 shares and par $1 shares. So for our comparative financial statements, we're going to have to assume that the stock split happened in 2021, not 2022, and there are 200,000 shares outstanding. So notice we would still have, that would be 400, I typed in the wrong number, so we would have $1 per share. And there we go.